I had no idea what this was when it first showed up, just that it was extremely large. Also, by the way, we are doing like a bunch of cleanup and organizing out here, which is why it's messy. Just had to make an excuse there. At first I thought it was, because it has this logo on it. That's Radio Flyer. I thought somebody who knew that my wife and I are about to have a baby sent us over like a cart. What do you call those? Cart. Wagon. Yes, a wagon. But then I remembered, oh yeah, I have a Tesla Powerwall and solar set up, and I did some videos on that, and I put my referral link in them, and my referral link had the ability for people to click on it and buy stuff. And some people bought some Powerwalls and some solar stuff. I had a few of those, and there was actually a couple sales of Tesla vehicles, which I was kind of surprised at. So a big thank you to anyone who used my referral link. If you got a Tesla product and you're happy with it, I hope you are, because it allowed me to order this. Let me show you what it is. Here, what you doing? Here. Cover you up. Good boy. So this is the Tesla Model S for kids, made by Radio Flyer. Larger than I was expecting, as you can see, four-door model. I love that it's got these folded in side view mirrors. That's pretty cool. And it comes, of course, with some accessories. So here we have the battery itself. Flight speed, looks like it's got a little power indicator on the top there, so you know how much juice you got left. Interface is at the bottom, and this just slots into the back here. You gotta lift up your lid there for your trunk, and I don't think this is charged yet, but just gonna pop it in like so. Snap. Okay, perfect. Right here you've got your speed mode control. That is secured with a Phillips head screwdriver, so you know daddy's got to switch that. Speed 1 or speed 2. Mode 1 will go 2.5 to 3 miles per hour. Mode 2 will go 5.5 to 6 miles per hour. So about a 9.7 kilometers per hour top speed on this one, which is right up there with the regular Model S, I think. We get a shiny Founder's license plate there at the back. P90D model there for Model S. I wasn't sure if this is going to come charged, but it looks like we do have 2 out of 5 bars at least, so we're not going to need to plug this in quite yet. At least hopefully we can get a quick test run. Here is our Tesla wall charger. Just got a little plug there for the battery side, AC, 2-prong, pretty standard. Also included here, we've got the leather bucket seats. I'm not sure if that's leather, but definitely a bucket seat. That's super plush. And of course, our fancy Tesla steering wheel. There it is with the, these would usually be probably media controls or something like that. Oh, look, it's even got a horn and a little interface there to connect up to the vehicle itself. I'm not gonna put this on quite yet because I wanted to show some of the features in here. Here at the back, we have our electric motor, which has lots of horsepower. Up at the front, we have some controls. So you'll notice you can turn the headlights on or off with this button here. Over on the right side here, we got your forward and reverse controls. Gas pedal down here, and then they've actually got a little pouch for a music player, which I thought was a nice add-on. Doesn't have Bluetooth, but you got an aux cable there that plugs in there. So this must have some speakers mounted up in here. Of course, one of the great advantages of an electric vehicle like this, you don't need all that space for the engine. So look at all the storage space you got up there. If you want to go on a family trip, something like that.
Wait, press that like 3 times a bunch of times. No, mention that like 20 throughout the day. Mom! Mom! Mama! I'm hungry! Mom!
What do you think, Hero? Nice new ride. This is all that really comes with accessories, and this is a safety measure, basically to lock the steering wheel in place. Okay. So obviously we got to give a little bit of a time trial here, a bit of a test run. Unfortunately, nobody here is qualified to drive this class of vehicle. The weight limit is 81 pounds. Unfortunately, I weigh in a little bit more than that right now. Joe's only like 85, but you know, he's gonna be running the camera, so we gotta give him that. So we got our driver here, Mr. Elefante. I'm gonna be just to the side with a long stick, which I will be using to push the gas pedal down like that. And we'll test in position 1 and position 2 and see how much of a speed boost you get by overclocking the Model S for kids.
That's the finish line right here, this crack.
Ready? You have to do a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
You almost collided with your foot. Yes, Nori, I know.
All right, that's speed 1, huh?
That's speed 1. I believe this is how you switch to ludicrous mode.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, yes, it's fast.
Wow, that's hard. It's hard to keep up with.
3, 2, 1, go. Question, I knew we were gonna do that.
No airbags. That's definitely something that should be added.
It's faster, right?
That's definitely faster. So guys, that is pretty much gonna wrap it up for my initial testing of the Tesla Model S for kids out here in the backyard with my Tesla Powerwall, which just seems appropriate. As you can see by those A/B comparisons, switching it into ludicrous speed mode gives you a big boost, and I recommend running in that mode as much as you possibly can. I'm looking forward to testing this out with an actual small human rather than our crash test dummy right here, but stay tuned maybe for more on that in the future. So guys, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you think of this video, my new little Model S, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.